Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your iPhone or how to do a network reset. So first you want to go to settings and click on settings, then you are going to go all the way down to general. Once you're at general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset. You click on it and then you're going to click on reset. When you click on that reset, you can reset your network settings. So I'm about to reset my network settings. I click on reset network settings and it's going to prompt me for the password. So I would just put the password in and then it would reset my network. But I'm not going to do that right now. Next, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. So if you're going to factory reset your iPhone, you want to click the bottom one that says erase all content and settings. So if you click on it, it's going to ask me to continue, and if I hit continue, it's going to ask me to input my password as well. So this is how you reset your iPhone. This is how you factory reset your iPhone, and this is how you do a network reset also. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.